That's very kind of you, but I'm not going to dinner. But you must!
Oh, here we are. You look ravishing in this one.
That's very kind of you, but I'm not going to dinner.
But you must.
Show me the girl.
Good evening.
Well, where is she?
Who? Oh, the girl. Yes. You. She's not coming.
What?
Go away. Your evidence.
I thought I told you to come down to dinner.
I'm not hungry.
If she doesn't eat with me...
If she doesn't eat with me,
No, thank you.
you can't stay in there forever.
Yes, I can.
Fine. Then go ahead and starve. If she doesn't eat with me,
Let me out! Let me out! I'm not letting you out!
Too late, witch. Now I have my magic ball. I'm not letting you out.
Whoa! There goes the witch!
There goes the witch. There goes the witch.
Now I will banish you to the high tower.
Now I will banish you to the high tower. You've been a naughty principe to come into my forest. Now I will banish you to the high tower. Abre. And the tower door opened. Inside the tower, the witch and the prince climbed 12 steps up to a little door at the top of the tower. Abre. And the witch put the prince in the little room. Now the prince was locked in the tower. Help me! Are you in there? It's a dog whistle, honey. It operates at a frequency that only dogs can hear. Back up, Carl. Okay.
I'm in. Penny follows. Her toga gets caught on a nail. Sherman! Penny! Sherman, no! Sounds good. I'm in. Sherman! Penny! Sherman, no!
They head off.
I'm in.
Penny follows. Her toga gets caught on a nail.
Sherman! Hurry!
Sherman, no!
Sounds good. I'm in. Sherman! Hurry!
Sherman, no! Now let's get to the way back. Go home, unhypnotize Penny's parents, finish that dinner party, eat my baked Alaska, charm my pants off Miss Grunion, and make sure none of this ever happens in the first place.
Sounds good. I'm in. Sherman! Hurry!
Sherman, no!
Hang on!
Homespun concoction I like to call Einstein on the beach.
Yummy.
I'm not here for a party. I'm here for the execution.